Hi, my name is Rafa and today we're going to make bubble tea. So first we're going to prepare the tea, and these are the ingredients for the bubble tea. Light tea, black tea, you can use any black tea, tapioca pearls, and milk. To prepare the tea, you need to, because we're making 4 cups, I'm going to put 10 big spoons of the tea. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put some boiling hot water in until it reaches the black area.
Do you need help lifting it? And stop.
And I'm going to put the cap back on. Like that, and yeah. Now we're just gonna let the tea sit while we do the pearls. So now we're going to put some water in a pot, move it to the stove, set the temperature to high and let some water boil. Yeah. So I poured half. You can pour as much or as less as you want. Turn the temperature to medium and wait until the pearls are up top. When that happens, put a lid on it. So we put the pearls away from the heat, and now we're going to make the syrup. Put 4 big spoons into a
Measuring cup,
and then top it up with water until it's a quarter. Here.
Yeah, that line is a 1/4 cup. So just add the hot water until it kind of reaches the top of the sugar, because that's kind of a 1/4 cup.
Okay.
Now you can add the hot water.
Now that we finished the glaze, get your pearls and get it and drain it and put it in the glaze. Okay, so now is the assemble bit. So put 3 ice cubes in. Get your
Yeah, put the pearls in.
So now we're going to put halfway with tea.
Enough?
And halfway with milk if you want to make it milk tea, or with water. show it at more home. There. That's enough.
Just that. It looks cool.
Yeah?
And now.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or like. And bye. Pretty good. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, subscribe to our channel. Bye. Bye.